Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky shower knob or a leaky tub spout. Here are the tools you'll need: a screwdriver set, a plier set, a pry bar, and a water valve shutoff tool. Before you do anything, turn off your main water valve. For older homes, it's often near the street curb. Newer homes have different placements depending on the builder. After you shut off the valve, turn on the sink faucet to release any leftover pressure. Cover the tub drain hole to prevent an extra trip to the store. To take the knob off, remove the Phillips head screw. Once you get the screw off, the knob and sleeve just pull right off. Take out the clip holding the cartridge. Remove and replace the cartridge. Here is a comparison of the old and new cartridge. The new cartridge set comes with this white cap puller tool. Use it to push the cartridge in. Once the cartridge is properly seated, put everything back. Here's how to set your hot and cold water cartridge before putting the sleeve and knob back on. If your hot water is on the left, have the notch facing down. If it's on the right, have the notch facing up. If your hot and cold are in reverse, just turn the notch 180 degrees to the right. And that is how you fix a leaking knob, a spout, or a faucet. Turn back on the main water valve and give it a test run. If you learned something new, please subscribe for more DIY contents. And thank you for watching.